Okay, here we go. Another problem. This is saying 5.4 liters of H2 was made, so this is the product, by reacting 20 grams of zinc completely. So it's already telling us our actual yield. So I might even write that down somewhere just so I don't forget it. Actual yield of the product they're asking for is 5.4 liters H2. That's just a side note, right? Now, this is where we're starting. Okay, so zinc, just normal zinc. We're starting here and we're trying to get here. If you want to cross this other stuff off because it's confusing for now, you don't need that. And let's get going to it. One of the most confusing things is people start with our product. No. We are going to start, for the purpose of these, with our reactant. So it's telling me 20 point, I'm just going to put 20 grams of ZN over 1. Cool. I'm going to copy and paste my periodic table. You all can see it. Map rather. Okay. So I'm starting with mass, which always has me a little bit annoyed because I got to do extra math, but luckily there's only one element, so it should be super easy. And what am I looking for? Liters. That always makes me happy because it tells me I don't have to think as much. All right, so here's my path. You got to do math 1, 2, 3 times. It's actually going to be a 3-part problem. So let's get started. It's going to tell me write down what it tells me to. It says put 1 mole of what you're starting with. 1 mole ZN over question mark grams ZN. Luckily, we don't have to do too much math because it's just zinc. So let's get our periodic table up. Zinc is right there, 65.38. 65.38. 65.38. 65.38. That one didn't take too long. It makes me happy. All right, cool. Check that off. I should be in moles. We can double check that. These units cancel. Yep, in moles. So far, so good. Now I'm at this step right here. Right here, I've got to put the moles of the thing I'm looking for. What am I looking for? Product H2. And the thing I already have is zinc. All right, numbers to put in here. We got to look at our balance equation. I don't see anything, so it's going to be a 1. I don't see anything, so that's also going to be a 1. Alrighty, check that off. Now we should be in moles of Y. Yep, moles of our new substance. Let's go ahead and just keep following the steps. 22.4 over 1, 22.4 liters H2 over 1 mole H2. Mole cancel. And let's do some math. Alright, so 20 times 1 times 1 times 22.4. 20 times 22.4 equals 448. 448 on top. And on the bottom, 1 times 65.3. And I'm going to have this on the bottom. And let's see what that is. 448 divided by 64.3. All right, cool. So I got 6.85. 6.85 liters of H2. So this is going to be the absolute maximum amount we can make, right? So this is going to be the absolute most that I can make. This is what I actually got. Remember this 5.4? I wrote it down here. So remember our formula. Actual over theoretical times 100 equals my actual is 5.4. 6.5 times 100 is going to be 79%. Did I get that right? I'm not good at memorizing it for a short amount of time. Yeah, 79%. 78.8, and then I rounded up. All right, so they got 79% of what was expected. They were expecting 6.85 liters if you do everything perfect. It's almost impossible to do everything perfect, even the best labs in the world. What we actually got was 5.4. If this number is ever higher than 100%, that means something went wrong. You dropped something in, you screwed up a math step, those things. It should always be below 100. If it's above 100, you either messed up in the lab or you messed up with your math.